Welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel and to our essential series on the COLREGs, the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. Today we're diving into rule number 7, risk of collision. So grab your notepad, your compass, and maybe even a cup of coffee, because this one might just save your stern. Rule 7A states that every vessel shall use all available means appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions to determine if risk of collision exists. If there is any doubt, such risk shall be deemed to exist. In plain English, use everything you've got, your radar, your eyes, your ears, your compass, and if you're thinking, that looks close, it is. If your vessel has radar, and it works, you must use it. That includes long-range scanning and radar plotting. Don't be the captain who keeps the radar on just to look cool in port. Pfft, it's 5 miles away. We're fine. Set the range wide enough to give you time. 5 miles is nothing when both vessels are doing 20 knots. Rule 7C is basically, don't make stuff up. If your radar gives you dodgy or incomplete info, don't assume you've got it figured out. I once had a radar blip appear, disappear, reappear. Like it was playing hide and seek. That is not the time to say, meh, probably a dolphin. Now here's where the compass comes in. If a vessel's bearing doesn't appreciably change, bad news. That means you're on a collision course. That ship should look like it's moving across your field of view, not growing steadily larger in the same spot. Unless, of course, you like surprises and paperwork. Even if the bearing does change, you might still be in trouble, especially with big vessels or tugs with long tows. That harmless barge may be dragging 500 meters of steel cable behind it. You don't want to find that out the wet way. So, let's recap Rule 7. Use all your tools. Radar. Lookout. Compass. Common sense. If you're unsure whether there's a risk of collision, there is. Don't guess with bad info. Constant bearing? That's a bad bearing. And remember, big ships and tows need big avoidance plans. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and if in doubt, assume you're about to hit something. Like this video if you're learning something new. Subscribe for more maritime safety. Hit the bell so you don't miss Rule 8. Goodbye for now.